Hi, I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online, and in this short video today I want you to be able to learn from my mistake what not to do with this Keco Slapper, so stay tuned. So just the other day I was working on a large dent on I think it was a BMW door. It had a swage line with a crown that sat just above the line. So I reached for this Keco Slapper, which is very good, a really good tool for knocking down large soft crowns quickly. But the mistake that I made is that I do not look after this tool well enough. I throw it in and out of the tool bag. It travels around with me, gets a lot of movement in that bag throughout the day as I go around on my kind of route. But the problem is with that, all the tools in my tool bag are metal. So you've got the metal rods, different sort of bars, knockdowns, hairdryer boards, things like that just in the tool bag. And the problem is this soft plastic or nylon just started to get a little bit scratched up. Now I didn't realise that, so when I'm knocking down my crown, I'm holding that onto there and I'm tapping across like that, but effectively I'm dragging this piece of plastic across the paintwork as opposed to lifting it in between my taps. But because I was moving so quickly, I was just tapping it and dragging it across. And it was only when I lifted it afterwards to see that I'd actually put lots of tiny little scratches into lacquer. Now thankfully they were light enough that I was able just to give it a quick flat and polish, but it could have gone wrong quickly and very badly in terms of paintless dent removal if I've then damaged their paintwork. So it was definitely a bit of a wake-up call for me, just in terms of really kind of a bit of housework, really taking care of your tools. So like I say, great tool, just make sure you look after it and don't make the same mistake that I made in terms of letting it get a bit chewed up and a bit rough and scratching some paintwork. So hopefully that helps today, or at least gives you what not to do. And as always, if you've enjoyed the video, found it useful, you could just give us that thumbs up. You can always hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon for notifications. And ask me some questions, leave me your comments below. Any feedback is always appreciated. So I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online. Thank you for watching.